Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a copyright claim on YouTube. First, ensure you truly own the content. Gather all necessary evidence, such as original creation dates and registration numbers. This preparation is crucial for a successful claim. You'll need to clearly identify the infringing video and the specific parts that use your work effectively. To submit your claim, access the YouTube Copyright Complaint web form. You will need to accurately describe your copyrighted work and explain how the other video infringes upon it. Be precise with details, including video URLs and exact timestamps. This helps YouTube quickly assess your submission and take appropriate action. After submission, YouTube reviews your claim. The uploader of the infringing content will be notified and given a chance to respond, perhaps by removing the video or filing a counter notification. If your claim is valid, YouTube may remove the content or allow you to monetize it, depending on your preference. Always verify you hold the exclusive rights to the material before filing. Be mindful of fair use principles, which allow limited use of copyrighted material without permission. False claims can lead to penalties, so proceed carefully. If a counter notification is filed, you might need to consider further legal steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.